I decided to record the noise again, and what you just heard the last 15 or so minutes is actually quiet compared to what started the second I woke up. And I only got like 3 hours of sleep again. And the house and my body has been vibrating for about 72 hours now, and it really messes with my central nervous system, which is the whole point of why they do it. So that's why I sound like I do. I'm exhausted. And then since I'm out in them so much, they keep attacking harder and harder. I mean, with all sorts of stuff, all different noises, sounds, smells, touch, all the stuff I've been talking about forever. I don't need to go over it again, but the reason I post these of the sounds is I want people to start recognizing the sounds in your environment. And it's my opinion that just ignore it all is bad advice. And I say that because that is training your God-given senses and abilities to stand down to stimulus in your environment, and training yourself to do that is not good. You don't want to dull your senses down. I was praying about this for several days now, and it actually takes less energy to just be scared for a hot second, like when they do those jump scare bullshit, like they hit my front door, and it's not every time it scares me, or I'll see they're hitting the wall right by my head as I'm talking. Anyways, it takes less energy to just be relaxed and get hit with a jump scare than spending that whole amount of time concentrating on ignoring them. So just give them a jump scare. Like, who cares? I think we need to get away from just ignore it all. No, we're not going to ignore it all. We're going to blast the light on it and blast them, put them on blast, and keep recording them. And stick the camera back in their faces and put it everywhere we can. Post it everywhere. Keep diaries. Keep logs of stuff. Send it to all different people. Put it in all different places. Hide it everywhere. So when something happens to you, because everybody dies, something happens to you, they're going to find stuff. Make sure there's a trail. That's how you watch your own back. You make a trail of stuff everywhere. Everywhere you go, make a trail of it. There's cameras everywhere. Use them to your advantage. And you don't gotta fight these people. But think about what they do to you. Mirror their behavior back to them. Stick their phone right in their face. Put your phone right in their face, right back. There's no laws against filming in public. I see a lot of targeted people like filming the ground as they walk around. No, hold your head up high. Hold your phone up high. Film the sky. Film everything around you. There's no laws against it. You post it. Post it. I'm gonna keep saying this over and over and over again. If you're able to make a comment on YouTube, you're able to upload a video and post it. Post it. You don't need to go through anybody else to tell your testimony. You can do it on your own channel. The more people are doing that, the better. No one can ignore millions of people saying the same thing over and over and over again, and everybody knows when you are faking it. And you perps pretending to be TIs, there's an extra special place in hell for you. And you're gonna see all our faces forever. So get a good look while you can. I feel sorry for you guys. So I just wanted you to hear the sounds. When you're in your environment and you're getting overwhelmed, just stop, hit record, and relax. And then listen to your videos, listen to the sounds, pay attention. If they jump scare you, big deal. So get scared for a second, whatever. Don't dull your senses. Don't dull your senses. Do not dull your senses. Do you get what I'm saying? I hope so. Please post your evidence. Please post videos. I don't care if you have evidence or not. Start talking and posting. Put your phone, just like I do, just lay it down on your table and start talking and post it. You don't have to post proof. You don't have to post pictures and videos of them driving around being morons and whatever. Talk. Speak up. Talk. You don't have to say your name. You don't have to put your face out there, whatever. Start talking. Start posting on your own channel. Do not fear these people. Do you hear that? There's no coincidences. There are no coincidences. None. Think about it. This is Cagey. Talk to y'all later.